want to thank you all for joining us for your child's SHSAT celebration. So we had a long journey. All of the cons buildings you didn't see anymore. And still you all chose cons for your child's specialized high school. So for that, on behalf of my mom and from me, I want to say thank you to everyone that has chosen us and believed in us, and now your child is on to the high schools.
আমার 3 বাচ্চা খানে আসছে, 3টাই ব্রুকলিন থেকে যাচ্ছে। আমার মনে হয় ব্রুকলিন টেকের জন্য সম্ভব হয়েছে ওদের খানের জন্য সম্ভব হয়েছে ব্রুকলিন থেকে যাওয়াটা। আর এরকম অ্যাফোর্ডেবল, এরকম সেফ প্লেস আমার মনে হয় না যে অন্য কেউ প্রোভাইড করতে পারবে। স্পেশালি বাঙালিদের জন্য অ্যাফোর্ড করা খুবই কঠিন হয়ে যাবে অন্য এনি টিউটোরিয়াল। থ্যাংক ইউ খান, থ্যাংক ইউ মিসেস খান, and
thank you so much. Why are these high schools so important? Just last week, the latest U.S. News and World Report showed that the specialized high schools of New York City are still the top 10 best free public high schools in the state. The Bangladeshi New York media is one of the most vibrant, robust, active, dynamic organizations.
Careful with your kids. They are very smart, very intelligent. So always be cooperative with them. ওদেরকে নেগেটিভ কথা কখনো বলবেন না। ভালো করলে খুব প্রশংসা করবেন, খারাপ করলে বলবেন নেক্সট টাইম তুমি ঠিকই ভালো করবে।
So thank you for trusting us. We're very, very grateful for your belief in us.
I mean, you should also be very proud of yourselves because you sacrificed a lot to have them come here, right? So I'd love it if you could give you a round of applause. Your kids got into these schools, so congratulations. These colleges are going to be so easy for your students because they're already preparing in advance. And they're literally preparing 4 years in advance of what I learned and what anybody else is learning that did not go to these schools. So congratulations to them because they're already on their way to success and going somewhere. So thank you again and congratulations to you.